Hello tech adventurers. Today I will show you how to download OBS Studio. First step, we go to Google and search OBS. Now we will click on the first link. Now you will choose what type of operating system you have. I will choose Windows. And as you can see, the download has started. Now click on this and the installation will start automatically. You will press yes and next to all the options that appear. As you can see, the installation is complete and OBS is ready to open. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.